I'm Billy Bailey with 2 Egg TV, and today we're going to continue on our series of edible and medicinal plants that you can find in your backyard with this plant, which is the chickweed. I've got about 8 weeks until I'll plant tomatoes in this bed, and as I started getting ready to plant the tomatoes, I noticed that what I was actually looking at pulling out here is called the chickweed. So this will go in the basket. The chickweed, believe it or not, is actually a superfood. This chickweed has more vitamins, more minerals, more nutrients, and more medicinal qualities than the tomatoes that I would intend to plant here. And that's true in many cases. A lot of the weeds that we pull out of these beds to get ready for spring planting actually are way more nutritious than what we plan to plant once we get those weeds pulled out. But the American chickweed is really, really good one. As the common name chickweed implies, chickens like to eat it. So if you do have chickens and you do end up pulling this out, it's something good to feed them. It is packed full of vitamins, minerals, and all kinds of good medicinal qualities. It is an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, antimicrobial. It's good for kidney health. The list goes on. It's basically a medicine cabinet found right here in this plant. The entire plant's edible. You can eat it raw in a salad. You can saute it. You can put it in soups, or with the upcoming St. Patrick's Day, you can actually make a really neat green tea out of chickweed. Today we learned about the chickweed and the edible and medicinal qualities of this superfood found right here in this old tomato bed. I'm Billy Bailey with 2 Egg TV.